how to fix common Instagram errors. Whether you're having trouble logging in, facing with loading the feed, or encountering the dreaded sorry something went wrong message, where we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First up, let's address login issues. If you're having trouble logging into Instagram, here's what you can do. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password to reset it. Now, ensure you have the latest version of Instagram. Go to App Store and check if there is an update available. If there is, simply click on Update. Now, on Android, go to Settings, then on Apps, then on Instagram, on Storage, Clear Cache, and Clear Data. For iOS, you may need to offload and reinstall the app. Now, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi Fi or cellular network. Try also logging in from a different device or browser to see if the issue persists. Now, let's talk about what to do if your feed isn't loading. Sometimes the issue is on Instagram's ache. And check websites like Down Detector to see if others are also experiencing similar issues. Pull down on the screen to refresh the feed like this. This can often resolve minor glitches. A simple restart can fix many issues. As mentioned earlier, clearing the cache can help with various problems. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you resolve any Instagram errors you're facing.